Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog, guys. So today is Thursday evening and I want to take you guys along in my evening routine. So welcome to another vlog. This is not just going to be an evening routine, there are other parts of my days that you're going to enjoy in this vlog. So come along with me, subscribe if you have not, turn on that post notification, leave me a constructive comment and like the video, and look out for more content like this. Enjoy the vlog. So far, I noticed that for the past 2 months now, I've been noticing that once it's that time of the month where I get to experience my monthly flow, I start breaking out. So this month, the breakout was so bad. You guys, it was so bad. If you look at my forehead, I'm really breaking out. There's a big pimples here that is recovering. This thing came out 2 days ago. There's one at the back of my ear. I've been trying to combat it with a lot of things. I've used sulfur soap. Is still that one is doing its job gradually, but I know is the anti that is about to come out that is making me break out. So, but I don't like that rough face. So what I did this morning, and I got a little bit of relief from doing it, is I use my face fact serum, which is this serum. I use this serum this morning. That is, after I did like a double cleansing this thing. So I use this toner first, this simple micellar water toner. After that, I used this particular ceramide serum just to suit my face, and then I went in lastly with this tomato gel. So why I am doing this is, at this point now, I'm trying to cut down on any form of oily cream, anything that's going to trigger this acne, because the acne started off like fungal acne. You know, fungal acne that comes to your face as a result of the dandruff from your hair that comes to your face and the yeast infection, and it turns into fungal acne. But I noticed that it's not really acting 100% like fungal acne. So that is why I'm using something that is any cream that doesn't have oil in it, any toner that doesn't have oil in it. That's what I'm using. If you notice, everything I showed you now is either watery or gel consistency. That is all. Formerly, I used this Cetaphil on my face. I have stopped using Cetaphil on my face ever since this came out, and I'm no longer going to be using Cetaphil from now henceforth because I'm trying to stop the breakout. I'm oily, acne prone skin. So I'm someone that is acne prone and I'm also oily skin. If you watch, my face is shining currently. So I went out today and I got some set of new skincare. I got some last week, but I was not able to show you guys that. So I'm going to be showing you people that now. So last week I went out, I got this Neutrogena blackhead eliminating toner. I'm not going to be using this every day because it has salicylic acid. I'm going to be using it once or twice a week. And today when I went out, I also got another toner. All this is just to combat this acne and also brighten my face a little, because my face is looking darker than my skin, and I know it's because of hyperpigmentation. So I got this Skin by Zaron toner. So this toner has a kojic acid, glycolic acid, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. So this is what this toner has. All this thing I'm saying is not sponsored, just what I decided to get for myself. I got this last week, this ceramide moisturizing gel cream, but I used it. I don't like it. It's doing me as if I'm going to dash this one out, but we are still looking at someone to give it to. And I also got this face fact bright and clear face cream. I don't know if I'm going to be using this, but we'll go still find out. So today when I went out, I got that toner I told you guys, and I got this green tea fresh emulsion. This is the one that is sweet and good for acne, oily prone skin, like oily prone acne skin. This is the one that is good. So I got a lot of good reviews about this face cream, and I'm going to be using this because this one fights the thing that produces this plenty oil on my face. This particular face cream fights it. So I'm going to be do my skincare routine with some of these products I just talked about. So come along with me. I am currently going to the kitchen to prepare dinner. So let's do this together. I've talked too much. not blame the children that if you were already giving birth to children before you married. But let's say you say 4 months because Mr. Ebony already married or he got money. He said so and so. Let me just stay away from the children. from Temu arrived. Just few things I got from Temu. So there is this sports bra I like to wear, so I got it from why are you falling this phone? What? So there's this sports bra I like to wear. I got it from Temu. I got one last year and I loved it. I loved how it feels, so I got this from Temu. So this is 3-in-1 and I got this in XL. So it comes in this brown, dark brown, and I say this brown chocolate and black. So it comes in these 3 beautiful colors. I can't remember the amount I got it from, but it's reasonable. So this is what they look like. It's 3 in color. And I also got some hair scrunchie. As a girl, as a lady that has fine hair, when I pack up my hair, even though I know that yes, when I pack it up, it gives it a lot of weight, but still there as other people hair today. So I don't like bulky scrunchie. I like scrunchie that is slim and not bulky. So that is why I got this very slim scrunchie. If you see, the grip is very tight. There is one already on my hair. This is the gold one on my hair. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 colors in it. I put one on my hair. So that's all I got for this Temu haul. I'm still thinking of buying some more things for my travel in August because we are going for youth program. So come along with me. I'm going to be taking you guys along just like I did last year. So that one is going to be a whole vlog on its own. So fingers crossed, look out for that vlog. This is currently, let me check my time in my iPad. This is currently 3:01. As you can see, I've not come to talk to you guys until this time because I've just been on bed. That is why I've not been able to do anything. Up to now, I've not eaten. So you see that weight loss, sometimes at this point of my life, I don't eat only except I'm hungry. I don't eat except I'm hungry. That is why most every day I do intermittent fasting because I don't eat except I'm hungry. So this is past 3 and I've not eaten. So you see, so that's what has been happening behind the scene. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Subscribe if you've not, turn on your post notification. I'm going to see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Mwah.